Hello and welcome to our latest breaking news. Bafana Bafana veteran Themba Zwane has received a 3-match ban after his sending off against Mexico in the opening match of the 2026 FIFA World Cup. The 36-year-old came off the bench against the co-host but got sent off for a violent conduct in the 84th minute. And on Wednesday, the 17th of June 2026, FIFA Disciplinary Committee confirmed the extension of Themba Zwane's ban. Here is a statement from FIFA. It says, the FIFA Disciplinary Committee has imposed the following sanction on South African player Themba Zwane, who was sent off as a result of a direct red card during the FIFA World Cup 2026 match between Mexico and South Africa played at Mexico City Stadium on the 11th of June. 3-match suspension for breach under Article 14, Paragraph 1E of the FIFA Disciplinary Code. The decision is subject to the FIFA Appeal Committee. That's the statement from FIFA. This will mean that Zwane will now miss the next 2 games of the group stages. Also, a potential round of 16 clash should Bafana Bafana make it out of the group. Mshishi has made 55 appearances for Bafana Bafana since making his debut against Australia in 2014, scoring 12 goals. Meanwhile, Bafana Bafana returns to action on Thursday evening at 6 o'clock South African time, taking on Czechia in what is basically a must-win game for both teams since they both lost their first games. The match will be played at Mercedes-Benz Stadium before Bafana Bafana returns to Mexico to finish off the group stages against Korea Republic on the 25th of June. And Bafana Bafana head coach Hugo Broos has called the decision harsh, and fans have expressed their dismay over the blow of the team's creativity. And also, they have pointed on some officiating that favored other teams, that more violent conduct were done by players of other teams. However, they were not punished. Some didn't even get a foul, let alone a yellow card. For harsh and serious foul play, a simple mistake by Themba Zwane has now been escalated to be a 3-match ban. So let me hear your thoughts. What do you think of what's happening here with this ban? Do you think that teams that are lowly ranked, especially that comes from Africa, are judged harshly in comparison to South American and also European teams? Let me hear your thoughts down below. Do you think that this is a fair punishment or it's too harsh? Let me hear your thoughts. Do you think that this game in which Themba Zwane received a red card is the last game in which we will see Themba Zwane in the Bafana Bafana shirt, given that the veteran is turning 37 this year? So this is probably his last FIFA World Cup tournament. I don't think that he will be able to come in the next tournament. So do you think that this will be his last memory of the World Cup? Remember, this is his first World Cup. And he got to play a few minutes before he got sent off. And now he won't be able to play any other game except the round of 16 if Bafana Bafana get to that stage. Because in my opinion, I thought that it was not even a red card to begin with. I thought the referee was too harsh. Actually, when the FIFA Disciplinary Committee announced the decision, I thought maybe they're announcing that the red card has been cancelled, because we thought that that is not a red card at all. But that's the decision of FIFA. So do you think that Bafana Bafana will appeal this decision? Let me hear your thoughts down below in the comment section.